So we're gonna try something a little bit different today. I was watching YouTube the other day and I saw Furious Pete did a challenge. It's called the Pringle challenge. You try and make a ring out of Pringles. So I want to make more videos, and I figured this might be fun, so I'm gonna give it a go. Now, he timed it. I think the original challenge was just to make the ring, but he had timed it and said nobody else had done it, so he had the world record. So I'm gonna first try and see if I can just make the ring out of Pringles, and if I can do it, then I'm gonna time myself and see if I can beat Furious Pete. And he challenged other people to do it, so I was like, hey, let's give it a whirl. So I don't know, that video was like made like 7 months ago or something, so someone might have beat it already. I haven't found. I looked a little bit, but not very much, so someone may have beat it already. But let's give it a go. Got myself some Pringles. Hopefully this is enough. And see if we can do it. There it is. So, I did it. I don't think I'm beating nobody's record, because right now we're at almost 20 minutes. So, but now that I did it, I might be able to. Let's see if I can. Okay, I did it. I got a 4:45, is it? Done. I hit the table, but I did it. Try it one more time. 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and I did it. I bumped the table, but it was done. But I'm gonna try it again. Clear. $3.26. I can do better than that. And try once more. Done. I did it in 2:56. 2 minutes and 56 seconds. Give me a high five. Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
There you have it. I'll put everything away because it all got bumped over, but it's all good. 2:56 or something like that. I'll check here. Anyways.
You're talking to yourself?
Mm-hmm.
To your phone?
Yeah. I did it. I believe that could be the world record. I don't know, but it's the fastest I've seen. So go and try it. Check out Furious Pete's video. This is the end of this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Have a good day.